Hi, Stewart Star families and students. This is Miss Hum. I wanted to welcome you to Schoology and share this course that is going to be on your page that offers your support for speech and language therapy services. To begin with, we have a coronavirus social story. If you'd like to watch that PowerPoint, just explains why we're in school, why we're not in school, and why we're at home and what happens. This is a Schoology letter that I had sent through email to parents on information on how to contact me. So if you'd like to have contact through email or my Google phone, my information is on this letter, and you will see right here my phone number and email address. Therapy starts on March 30th. I will be available on Tuesdays for your students at Stewart. And also, you will have a folder that will have your child's name. So if it is apple butter, it's going to be AB. And I'm available on Tuesdays from 8 to 3:30 as needed. And I've also attached a schedule with my hours per grade level. So if it doesn't work for your schedule at that time, then feel free to email me and we can set up an appointment outside of those hours. And just keep in mind that our direct therapy, if you decide to want to have a conference with me to practice your sounds, which I would love, is up to 15 minutes once per week. So here's my schedule, and just waiting for that to open. Here are my hours, and you can open that and look at that later on your own time. So let's go to folder 3. As you see, these are the sounds that are in this folder, and it is specific to the student with these initials. We are going to have folders that are for each week, so that's what you know is expected for you to complete for that week's activities. So for the week of March 30th, you will have week 1. And in here, there's a video showing you how to say your R's perfectly, because that's what we're working on, making sure that tongue tip is up and curled, and you are making that nice smile and a jaw, you're squaring your jaw. So let's practice your R and TH sounds, because that's what your goal is. And I want you to watch the YouTube video to make your sounds. And then down here are pages with your R sounds. So these are using context clues. You're going to download it and then open it up. You practice it 2 times, reading out loud to yourself, thinking about hearing those sounds. And then on the 3rd time, I want you to actually record your sound. So when I'm going to just show you how to do that, which if I go to edit, you will see a little icon here with a microphone, and it'll say audio recording, audio only, or audio video. And you can, I would love to see your face. So if you do a video and your computer has that capability, that would be great. So I want you to save your document as week 1 R sounds or TH sounds, and then upload and submit here. So since I don't see it, you'll see a tab here that says submit assignment, and that's where you're going to save it on your computer and then upload it to here. So let's go to your articulation cards. Let me just adjust my window here. So these are context clues, and as you know, context clues are ways of using our best guess given the information that is surrounding the word. So for instance, the rotten apple now was mushy and smelled bad. Rotten. Well, we obviously know it's not fresh, and that would be the opposite. So we're inferring and using context clues what rotten means. The rusty old pipe now squeaked when I twisted. Rusty and old, so obviously it wouldn't be shiny and bright. So those are vocabulary words that we're incorporating with your R sounds. People shouldn't start rumors before making sure the story is true. So here you're thinking about where your R's are in the words. If you have access to the PDF where you can edit it, you can also have fun with it by highlighting the words that actually have an R sound in it. So like start, rumor. rumors. This one might be a little bit tricky because it has two R's in the word, one at the beginning and one at the end. She could see her reflection in the water and bent down to try to wash the dirt off her face. So I want you to take your time reading and not racing through the sentences. The gem was rare. There were only two others like it. She was a resident of New York City and loves living there. So just as I'm reading it slow, that's how I want you to say it slowly so you can make sure that you're saying those R's with accuracy. I'm going to close out of this. You have a second page here, and this is working on your sounds. I want your TH sounds with your tongue between your teeth. So at the end of the words here, the wealthy businessman was always wore expensive clothing and stayed at luxurious hotels. I don't believe the myth that the monster lives in that lake. It just can't be a true story. The snake carefully slithered over where the mouse and lunged at it. The dress felt so smooth and soft, Mom made sure there were no wrinkles. So also, even though you're focusing on your TH, I still want you to have your ear tuned in for your R sounds. So these are your tasks for this week. And then be sure to record yourself if you have the microphone and the video on your camera on your computer. I hope that you have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, make sure you wash your hands, and I look forward to seeing you inside the classroom sooner than later. Bye.